Hey everybody, so tomorrow on Monday we will not have class, so I just wanted to again go over exactly what you're supposed to be doing. The text complexity online module should take you the entire 3 hours, including the fact that you're going to actually do the assignment. It probably won't take you that long if you don't do the assignment, but I would highly recommend that you go through the whole thing, including doing the assignment, just because then it'll be fresh in your mind. So if you see here on the left-hand side, it says text complexity, and I want you to click on that. The first video is just kind of a little introduction that I made, just a really quick, cheap, like not very nice video. But so after you watch that, it just kind of introduces what text complexity is. Then you're going to watch, number 2 says watch this video about text complexity. The video is listed or linked below. One thing about this is a 20-minute video, and it's long, and you may even have to watch it more than once just because it's pretty dense. So once you're done with it, you can take the quiz. It says quiz on this video. The quiz, again, it'll come up in the gradebook as a 0, and that's exactly what I want it to come up as. I set it so it comes up as a 0. It's an ungraded quiz. You'll see what you get right and wrong, but you won't get an actual grade for it. It's a formative assessment. Then there's a PowerPoint, and I do want to remind you that please, when you open the PowerPoint, open it in screen, actually play it as a screen or as a slideshow, because on each video or on each slide, there'll be it's like a little sound icon, and I basically have talked you through each slide on the PowerPoint. After you've done that, you'll see that there's an exemplar. I would open up this exemplar and I would have it next to you and really pay attention to how the exemplar is set up, because after that there will be a quiz on the exemplar. The exemplar is a model for exactly what I want you to be doing for this assignment. Then I've given you a blank template for the text complexity, and that you can use that. You cannot use that, but I gave it to you, so I think it would be a good thing for you to use. So after you've gone through the video, the PowerPoint, the exemplar, now it's your turn to find a piece of text and take that piece of text through the text complexity analysis. I will put on Blackboard a link to, I think it's Appendix B for the Common Core State Standards, and they give some sample text, so feel free to use that text, any of text from the samples. It helps if you can find a text online, just so you can cut and copy it into the quantitative analysis links that you're going to see. And it also helps to be doing, I really want you to try to find a text 4th grade and above, because the text complexity analysis doesn't quite work the same way with younger texts. So after you've gone through this module, open up assignment descriptions, and you will see the assignment description text complexity analysis. This is your rubric and your criteria. This is, to make sure you make a good peanut butter and jelly sandwich. This is exactly what you need to do. So where it says choose the text, again, I'll send you another link for Appendix B. You can choose one from there, or some people mention their literature circle book. You're free to do that. Then you're going to take that piece of text through the quantitative, qualitative, and reader task consideration analysis. And it says use the blank template. I left that for you as a model. And afterwards, I want you to reflect. What did you learn? How did this text, what surprised you? What was hard? And then down here is how you will be graded. This is a 10-point assignment, I believe. Yep. And so hopefully, so it's not, and this is the link here. I'll put it on Blackboard as well, but it's Appendix B, and you'll see some examples there. Once you're done, hit Submit Assignments, and I put it right up at the front. Just submit it right there, and then you're done. Again, this is not an easy module. This is challenging, so please give yourself the time to do this, and get a clean or a place that you won't be distracted. Sit down, say, I'm going to go through this whole module, and then I'm going to do the text complexity analysis. I hope that helps, and I'll see you officially all next week.